Well, hello everyone. This is Irma once again with my note cards. Welcome to my channel. I'm sure that many of you do some embossing, dry embossing with an embossing machine with embossing folders. And usually when I'm embossing, I just don't emboss one or two pieces of cardstock. I use as many cardstock pieces as possible, using a variety of different folders. This way I always have something at hand ready to use. Now very often once I've used them, I've cut them to whatever size I need, I'll always have a few left over. Sometimes I have only small strips left over. So what I wanted to show you today was that you can make you can make cards using the leftover strips that you have. Let me show you an example. Putting this away, look at what I did. Okay, you can see the different embossing folders that I use, a variety of different colors. These were all left over from a variety of other projects that I made. And instead of throwing them out, why not use them and make a card out of them? Now, you would say to yourself, well, that's kind of plain. Well, yeah, it is plain. However, if you attach a sentiment to it, you can wind up having something that looks like this. And this is a very unique and different card. And you could put whatever sentiment you'd like. I have here best wishes, but it could certainly be thinking of you, have a good day, happy birthday, etc., etc. You could also, before you adhere your embossed pieces onto the cardstock, you could also uh, stamp first your sentiment and then put your strips, your squares, whatever you have left over on your card, making room for that sentiment. Personally, I like this instead. I like having used up all of my strips, all of my squares and rectangles, and then adding my sentiment afterwards. I hope this has been helpful. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you again in my next video. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.